Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Flavor Foodie and I'm Mike G. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing my Southern style shrimp and creamy cheesy grits. So let's get started. I love this recipe. It's rustic and very delicious. I'm going to add some herbs, spices to the dish and these seasonings with a few veggies. This dish is so easy to make step by step. I'll be using 2 cups of water to 1 cup of grits. I'll put the grits in after the water starts to boil. I've already added some bouillon to give the water a little bit of flavor because I don't have any broth prepared. This will help the grits have a little bit flavor and it won't be so bland. Okay, y'all, so I also added some butter and some salt so that my grits won't stick. Again, guys, I just want to say I appreciate you coming to the channel. And today we're making this very delicious dish. This is not only just one of my favorite dishes, but it's a flavor foodie favorite of mine. So I just want to share this with you. So I'll continue to stir the grits as I continue to add other ingredients in the grits. I'll add a little cream at this time. Then I'll throw some seasoning in to give it that robust taste. I love that flavor. Early on in the water, I did put some bouillon seasoning, this chicken bouillon seasoning. This will give it even more of a flavor. As you add the ingredients, guys, begin to turn your heat down so that your grits won't stick or burn at the bottom of the pan. You're coming to the channel, and today we're making this very delicious dish. You can also serve this for breakfast or you can serve it for brunch. Now I've already prepared my shrimp, cleaned and deveined the shrimp. So now I'm going to sear the shrimp with a little bit of oil in the pan, and that's what we're trying to get because we want to make it rustic. I love that seared look on a lot of my foods because it just looks good and it tastes good. And of course, we eat with our eyes first and foremost. So if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know if you tried the recipe. And if you did, I'll give you a shout out on my next recipe. So let's sear up a couple slices of lemons for a little bit of decoration. All right, fam, here we have those Southern style shrimp and creamy cheesy grits, flavor foodie style. Delicious taste, creamy grits. Nice and charred shrimp with a little sear to them. You can make this yourself at home. It's a delicious dish. It's a comfort dish. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe, because when you like, it allows me to continue to create more content for those who are interested in the recipes.